Morning, beautiful Friday, and it's so good to see all of you smiling faces back again. Well, you guys would be surprised to know that I have been editing all my videos in a 7-year-old Dell Vostro laptop which had almost grandpa era configuration. It had no graphics card, about 2 gigs of RAM. Editing was pain in the ass. Still, one thing I would like to say to all of you who want to start a YouTube channel, do not stop because you have a low-end camera or a laptop. Start with whatever you have and things will eventually fall into place. Well, I wouldn't blame my laptop entirely because it performed decently to its full capacity and I managed all my videos with it till I could afford a new laptop. A laptop which should be able to handle Premiere Pro smoothly without any lags, which means it should have minimum of 16 gigs of RAM, 4 gigs of graphics and 1 GB of storage as well, and it should also be within my budget of around 60,000. Well, looking on the internet we found that I got just 8 gigs of RAM at that price point, and that's when two of my best friends suggested that I get an 8 GB laptop and upgrade the RAM to 16 GB with another DDR4 stick. Well, to my disappointment again, most of the laptops nowadays do not allow RAM upgrades because of warranty issues, and that's when I again had my friends to rescue. So we found a laptop which had 8 gigs of RAM and it was upgradable up to 32 GB. It had 4 gigs of graphics, 1 TB of storage, and all this package came in at just 40k rupees. So it was a pretty interesting deal and we went ahead and ordered it during the Great Indian Amazon sale. The laptop that we ordered was the Acer Nitro 5. Well, the Acer Nitro 5 has come in today morning, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see how the laptop is. Well, first impressions on the Acer Nitro 5, it's lightweight, it's sleek and it's fast. However, I would review it after using it a couple more days. And about upgrading the RAM, I would like to edit a few more videos in this to see how smooth the workflow is. In fact, the video that you are watching right now on your screens has been edited in the Acer Nitro 5. Well, that's all for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you do so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Biker Imperfect. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram @biker.imperfect if you have any more queries. So this is Biker Imperfect signing off till the next video. Ride safe, ride with gears, live your dreams. Boom.